Fluxaxis is a bureau and bespoke printing service. We work with automotive, medical a little bit, and mostly we work with the arts. Various artists come to us when they want big sculptures. We have a Stratasys Fortus 900 and a Fortus 250. The 900 is the sort of main workhorse for us. The 250 is there for those smaller jobs, quick turnaround jobs as well. The capacity of the 900 really wants us to push how big we can go with FDM. We did a big sculpture for an artist, it was in Ireland, called David and Goliath. David standing on Goliath's head, printed all in black, and then we went and painted in pink. 1200 high sculpture done on the 900 in a ASA. So they fit in nicely to that high detail with the large build volume. The 900 can produce parts which are both large and high detailed at a multitude of layer heights in multitude of materials. So especially when it comes to engineering, it's the machine we sort of focus on because we can offer a more bespoke and accurate material for their needs. It's really the king of all 3D printing processes. It's here to stay. There's no other process which is, first of all, safer, just more reliable in general. We've always had a really great service from SYS. So we've had something break and they've come out next day, got it fixed, got it sorted for us. That speed at which we can have someone come out, diagnose and fix the issue is really important. Both the Fortus machines are ridiculously reliable. I would definitely recommend SYS to other people that are thinking of going FDM or any other Stratasys technology, whether that be PolyJet. You're always going to get a great service. They're always going to help. We can provide a very quick and effective service to our customers due to the fact that we can run our machines all the time, constantly, with no issues, and if there was an issue, which there rarely is, it can be fixed very, very quickly, offering the customer a fantastic service. They can trust us in getting their job done in the time they want.